my name is Kyllo, and I am the 66th Princess K of the Milky Way. And today we are going to make an amazing dairy recipe, chocolate berry smoothie. So this recipe is super simple. It just has 3 ingredients and it has a lot of dairy goodness for us all to enjoy. So the first thing we're going to put in is some chocolate milk. And you know, the thing about chocolate milk that I love is that it has a lot of protein and a lot of great flavor. In fact, if you are an exercising enthusiast, chocolate milk is a great way to refuel after exercise, or for kids after they've played outside. The next thing we're going to put in is some frozen fruit. So I chose some mixed berries, that's what's on the recipe, and so this is going to give you your fruit flavor. And finally, we are going to put in some yogurt. So I chose Greek yogurt, so that's going to be very high in protein, and this is a mixed berry flavor. So once again, as this is going to be a protein-packed recipe. Alright, so the next step we're going to do is we're just going to blend this all together. And it's going to only take, just blend it for as long as you want until when it seems like it's going to be ready. Alright, so our last step, of course, is going to be the eating, what we all love, right? There you go. Alright, so this is our smoothie. It's going to serve 2 people, and it's, as I said before, going to be protein-packed, have a lot of great dairy, and of course have that chocolate and berry deliciousness that we all love. So, as I said before, I'm a dairy princess, and a lot of people always are wondering, how did I become a dairy princess? Well, for me, my journey started on my family's dairy farm. So I live near Byron, Minnesota, and I grew up feeding calves, milking cows, driving tractor, all those various things like that. And as I grew older, I knew I wanted to be able to talk about what I did every single day. So that journey has led me to being Princess K today. And I have to say, I have so many memories on my family's farm that I am incredibly grateful for. So this is our first recipe, and I think you're going to really enjoy chocolate berry smoothie.